Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're back and we're gonna keep working on our edit tools included in Pro Tools. So today's edit tool is the trim tool. You're gonna be using this a lot when you're editing. So the trim tool, what can you do when you have the trim tool? Well, you can trim your clips, okay? For example, if you have this clip here, this guitar's clip, and you want to trim the start of the clip, you simply select that trim tool. And then as you can see, it shows a left bracket indicating that you can trim the start. So you simply click and drag to trim that start. Now keep in mind, I'm in grid mode. I could switch to slip and then I can have, like, I guess you could say more resolution there. Okay. So you can trim the start, but you can also trim the end of a clip. In this case, I have a fade out here. I can click and drag to reduce or to make it longer, actually, up to you. But in general, you can trim the end of a clip by simply clicking and dragging either to the left or to the right, and the same with the start. Now, check this out. When you hover the mouse on top of the clip and you move towards the left, you can see that bracket indicating it's a left bracket. Okay, so it's referring to the start of the clip. Now, when you move that mouse to the other side, you can see it switches to a right bracket, indicating that you're going to be trimming the end of the clip. Now, the trim tool has 4 modes that you can switch by simply right-clicking on top of it and then selecting the one that you want. We're in standard mode that basically lets you trim the start and the end of the clips in a non-destructive way, as we showed before. But there's 3 other modes. There's one called TCE, which is a time compression and expansion mode. This mode lets you match an audio clip to a certain length with an elastic audio feature. Okay. Now you also have scrub. This one lets you audition audio material to find a trim point. And you also have loop trim mode. This mode lets you create or trim looped clips. Now, vast majority of cases, you're going to be working in standard mode. It's non-destructive, it's easy to use, and that's it. It just lets you trim the end or the start of any of your clips. Okay? So, that's the trim tool in Pro Tools. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs, and we will be happy to help you. We will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.